trapezium rule, and we're trying to find the area of the shape that's left there for us. So the first part is to use the trapezium rule to find the area of the land. So if we look at the formula book, you can see here, we're going to be using this formula when we are finding the estimation. So what it means is, approximately speaking, we do half of the height or width of the trapeziums, which is b minus the a value. So they're the two ends of your size that you're looking at. So for example, that would be the length here from A to B, so 54, and we're going to divide that by how many pieces we want it to split into. So the height is 54 divided by, and we want it into, it tells us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. So 54 divided by 6 tells me that each length is equal to 9. And then using the trapezium rule here, we can see that it's a half times 9. And then once we have that, we are going to times that number by, so it's everything times together, and it's by the first and the last point, which is a length of 0 and a length of 6. So it's 0 plus 6 for the first one, the first and the last one, plus 2 lots of, and then it's all of the other lengths in between, which would be 8, 13, 18, so 8 plus 13 plus 18 plus 17 plus 14. And we're just going to type that into our calculator to then find the overall length or the area. So we can go to our GDC, and we have 4.5, or 9 divided by 2, multiplied by, and we have 6 plus, and then it's 2 lots of everything else, which is the 8 plus 13 plus 18 plus 17 plus 14. And that gives me a total of 657 for my full total area. And it was the area of the piece of land, which is in meters, so our answer there is meters squared. And it says the land is valued at 480 per hectare, and we need to find the price of the land, and 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meters squared. So first of all, we need to take our answer, 657, and divide it by the 10,000 to find out how many hectares we have, and then each of that gets multiplied by $480,000 to find the price of the land. So that's the calculation we're going to be doing. So we're taking our existing answer, dividing it by 10,000, and then multiplying that answer by 480,000. And we can see there that the final cost is $31,536.